To change your League of Legends account password, it's actually very simple. So the first thing you need to do is to go to our web browser, and you want to go to leagueoflegends.com, and I'll leave a link in the description. Once you're here, you want to click on the sign in button in the top right hand corner, and then you want to log into your Riot account just as you normally would. So once you're signed in, you'll be taken back to the home page. So to change our password, we need to hover over our account name in the top right hand corner, and you want to click on settings. You then need to enter in your account password, and if you forgot your password, you want to click on forgot password and follow the steps below. You will then be taken to the back end of your Riot account. So to change our password, you just want to scroll down slightly to where it says Riot account sign in, and here you can change your password. So you just want to enter in your current password in the top box, and then you want to enter in your new password below. In this case, I'm going to use my NordPass password manager to generate and store my new password. If you're like me and you forget your password, you can try NordPass with the link below and get 50% off your premium plan. So once you're ready, you want to click on Save Changes, and your Riot account password will be successfully changed. And that's it. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as I can.